Gain full visibility into your shop's inventory with ShopLite's new inventory management. Automate inventory tracking end to end. Accurately track quantity on hand by vendor. Know what to stock and when. Know shop inventory margins, markups, and easily track profitability. Gain much needed insight into inventory count and valuation. Easily manage cost of goods sold, know inventory consumption, and prepare for better stock planning. If you'd like to learn more about how ShopLite can help manage and increase profitability at your shop, please contact us at support@ShiftMobility.com.